Bike reviews and adventures. Let's check out some great Black Friday deals, some things that make some great stocking stuffers because the holidays are coming and you don't want to wait to the last minute because you're going to be like, oh, nobody remembers the stockings and something little needs to go inside there, right? And I've got some suggestions for you as well as some other suggestions. It'd be great for some holiday gifts or just maybe you need it for yourself and you want to pick it up because it's at a great price today. Hey, click the link down below and it's going to take you to a special page on Amazon that's showing you all the Black Friday deals, okay? And let's just start at the top of the page and I'll tell you if there's something there that I see that I think is an outstanding deal. Um, let's see here. Oh, no deals? Okay, look, there's some good stuff here. Nothing that I'm going to buy, but here's a tire inflator that's $30. I haven't tried that one. Can't recommend that specific brand. Here's a nice little tire kit over here for $23. That's a little bit of a savings. Not bad. Not a big deal. Not a big fan on that stuff there. Well, let's look on down through here. Yep, yep, yep. Where are they at? Okay, here we go. Now we're getting somewhere. See, I purchased this myself. This is a great alarm right here. It only saves a few bucks, but it makes a great stocking stuffer. And this is a great alarm because once you activate it, you can walk away with the key fob in your pocket. If anybody touches your bike and shakes it, moves it just a tiny little bit, this thing starts screaming at them. And it's loud. It's like a fire alarm loud, okay? So, uh, great stocking stuffer, great security item. Hey, look right here. My favorite Lamicall phone holder, okay? I just purchased these. I'm constantly purchasing these things. I've purchased dozens of these things now. Look, they're normally close to 30 bucks. Sometimes I find them, around $20 or so. Never this low. Okay, so 15 bucks is a great. It fits on almost any size handlebar because you got this rubber piece in here that you can peel away the layers until you get a nice fit on your handlebars. So really good deal. Grab that guy right there if you need it. Let's see here. Don't need those bike locks. Don't buy this. Do not buy this right here. This is not what you want. You want the one that is made by Kryptonite. Okay, this is something else. This has got a really cheap aluminum style chain inside here that's real super easy to cut through. If you find the ones that are made by Kryptonite, they have an what is it, an iodized steel, whatever. Anyway, it's a hardened steel, okay, and it's really difficult to cut through. That's what I use. Hey, here's a bike cover. I just picked up a couple of these because I'm going to start storing a few of my bikes on the back patio, unfortunately, because I'm out of space here in the garage. So grab a couple of those. Let's see here. Here's a bike rack. It's not on sale. We'll talk about that in a minute if I see another one. I have a tire inflator like this right here. They work well. I think that price is inflated, so I don't think that's a good price. I don't think it was originally $45, so caution on that one there. Let's see. Oops. Scrolling down here. Some bike mirrors right here. This is a good brand. A lot of people like these. I don't use them, but it looks like everyday price is 15 bucks, but that's just for one mirror. So if you want a mirror on both sides like I do, you have to buy a left and a right mirror. Hey, here we go. My favorite seat, Blue Wind. They're on sale. They've been typically around $45 or so. Sometimes I get them around for about $40, so $32 is a good deal for the Blue Wind seat. So pick that up. Here's my favorite pannier bag. Hey, good price right here. 20 bucks for that pannier bag. And that's what I use. And I like them. They're sturdy enough for me. I think they're going to last a while. Let's see here. Excuse me. I tried this bike belt out. It works pretty good. 9 bucks? No, I don't think so. That's inflated. They raised the price just to lower it. I think that's standard price for that. Let's see here. I've got those. They're okay. I think I paid a little bit more than $9.95. I don't think I paid 20 bucks. I may have. Let's go down through here. Let's see. Hey, for those of you that have air tags on your bikes, there's some air tag holders. Let's see what else we find here. I haven't tested that light out. I have a different brand though. Let's see here. Anything else? Anything else? Bump. There we go. So that's the one I've purchased quite a few times. They've got it 60 bucks. It's never been 60 bucks. Yeah, never been 60 bucks. Let's keep on scrolling. Let's go to page 2, guys. We've got a lot of pages here. We'll find some other good deals here. Here's some bike racks. Not real familiar with them. Hey, Cena. Now that's the Cena Pi. That's regular price. Cena helmets are on sale. Okay, and if we don't see them here, go click on my Amazon store link, and you can find it there because I actually purchased another one myself this morning. There's another style of the phone holder, and it's on sale for $18. I like that one. I like that one okay. Let's see here. What are we finding? What are we finding? Okay, there's another Kimimoto bag. This is a nice bag that goes right on top of your rack. And yeah, I like it. So $30. Yeah, that's a pretty good deal because I think I spent close to $40 on that when I originally purchased it. Let's see here. Got to find some more good stuff here. There's another mirror. And let's see here. Not see anything there that I'm too excited about. Briskmore mirrors. You know, I've never seen my favorite Briskmore mirrors. That's not it. This is the wrong shape, but same company. I've never found them on sale, ever. Amazon Prime Day or whatever. I never find them on sale. Occasionally you find it, 5 or 10% off, but nothing specific for Black Friday or Prime Day. Looking through here. Hey, see anything you guys like? Let me know down below. Let me know if you see something that I missed that I should have pointed out. Some bicycle gloves. I need to find good quality bicycle gloves. I need to find that for sure. Yeah, I'm not seeing too much here that I'm interested in right there. Upgraded pedals, maybe. Some more mirrors, bags, gloves there. Alright, let's see. We gotta get some. I might have to pull up my page because I got more stuff on my page that I like. There we go. Sienna helmet. $143 for that Sienna helmet. So that is the Sienna M1. Let's take a quick look at that. We're going to open that up on another page just to take a closer look. Purchased other variations 3 times below. So normally they're about 100. That's the one I purchased right there. Is that the one I purchased? Oh. Yeah. Maybe. It's the M1. No, there you go. The M1 Evo. The 2022 version. That's the one I have. But it's still on sale. You see here it's $159. And when I purchased it just a couple of months ago, it was $200. So 20% off. So 20% off the Sienna. And the only really big difference is, that's the mountain bike style. And then you have all these other mountain bike styles, it looks like. Yeah. There's another listing that has the more of the road bike style helmets. But yeah, they work great. Let's get back over here. Keep on looking. What else do we find here? Little bags and water bottle holders. These different style locks. I don't like this style lock. They don't work that well, in my opinion. Some people love them. Not for me. All right, guys. What do you see? Am I missing something? Here's my Briskmore mirrors. Those are the ones I recommend. 20 bucks. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Scrolling on through. Okay, we're going to have to jump over, and I'm going to show you something else. One more page. Hang tight. Hang with me. One more page. See if we see anything good here that Richard needs to buy. Oh, that's just the liner and cargo net. I'm going to say that's pretty cheap for a rear basket, but no, that's just a liner. Looking over here, looking over here. Yeah. I'm not seeing anything jumping out at me that Richard needs to pick up now. I've already purchased some things earlier today, and I was happy with it. Felt like I hit the jackpot. Let's go over here. Hold on, hang tight with me. Let me pull up a link here. And boom. Here's my Amazon page. Okay, boom. And on here, I've got things broken out into different categories: tools and maintenance, and e-bike accessories. And then I got like cleaning supplies and power stations, recording equipment, stuff that I use. But let's go on e-bike accessories here. Hey, right here. Bam. This is what I was looking for. This is a new bike bag, and I've already been using it, and it's a lot better than the. Well, it's about the same quality as the Odensberg bike bag that I was using, but the Odensberg bag is like $45. Okay. This one is $30, so significantly cheaper, but today it's 20 bucks. So if you need a handlebar bag, come out here, find this link right here, and get that, because that is a really good handlebar bag. I've been real pleased with it. Let's see what else we got here. Here's the helmet that I purchased, or the road helmet rather. $169 instead of $200, so that's a good deal. And let's see what else. There's the seat that's on sale. Here's the bag that's on sale. And this is on sale. You know, they inflated this price. What are you saving? A buck? $1.85 or something. Not too big of a deal there. See, there's that Odensberg bag. I might need to take this off my page because that other bag is just a much better deal. See that $45 versus $20, and still good quality. Hey, great stocking stuffers right here. Everybody needs these straps. Okay, these are some great straps for strapping in cargo. $7. Grab some of those. Here's the Kryptonite bike lock I was telling you about. It looks almost the same, right? Only this one does say Kryptonite, and it's got that hardened steel. Okay, it's not that cheaper steel or even aluminum that I've seen some that were made of. So, yeah. All right, here we go. So here's the rear basket that I like. It's a uh, general purpose. You just zip tie it onto your bike rack, basically. It doesn't, chances are the bolt holes are not going to line up. But I use 75-pound zip ties, and I zip tie this thing down, and it's on sale. Save a little bit there, almost $10 there, so not bad. There's the zip ties that I use, 120-pound zip ties. How about that? There's the bike alarm. There's the bag again. So good stuff out there. So guys, hey, if you're out there shopping and you find something that is a good deal, drop me a message and let me know so I can check it out. But yeah, I recommend you go out there and check out some of these items and just see what it's all about. Here, let me follow up with, here's that bag. There's a close-up shot of it. Just, yeah, really good bag. I opened this up. Here's the Cena helmet. I forgot I had these open. $169 for that Cena helmet, down from $200. So nice little savings there. There's one. I just picked this one up this morning. Yep, picked that one up this morning for someone that I care and love about that didn't have one yet. We've got this is a really nice cooler bag that fits that basket I was mentioning. It's on sale for $29, and I really enjoy this when I'm going shopping. We've got there's the Lumicall cell phone holders, again on sale for $14. Can't beat those. There's the basket again on sale. There's the Kimimoto saddlebags that I really like. $22 for those stupid saddlebags. I mean, good quality for big saddlebags for $22. Okay, so that's going to be it, guys. That's it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you buy something, let me know what kind of deals you're finding out there. And hey, until the next video, you guys ride safe and happy shopping.